Two, we're going to focus on global e-business and collaboration. To start, we're going to focus on understanding business processes. And business processes essentially are at the heart of every business as we know them. It could include anything from ordering food at McDonald's, applying for a driver's license at the DMV, registering for a class here at Robert Morris. A firm's business process, that is the as is, what's happening today, how does each activity function, is an excellent way to learn a great deal about how the business actually works. How could a business process be a liability? How can we improve for the future? Other examples may include checking a product for quality under manufacturing and production, selling the product under sales and marketing, paying creditors, finance and accounting, or even evaluating job performance, so human resources. Think about what other examples of a business process you may encounter on a day-to-day basis. As we look at this example in front of us, each rectangle represents one part of the larger business process of order fulfillment. Notice that this business process spans several different functional areas of the business. So, for instance, sales to accounting to manufacturing. Important business processes typically will span several different functional areas or divisions within a business. We may begin to think about how we increase efficiency or how we improve an overall business process. That may be completed through automating steps that once were manual. Perhaps changing the flow of information or eliminating delays in decision making by replacing sequential steps. Examples of entirely new business processes are made possible by information technology. So, for instance, downloading a song from iTunes, buying a book from or ebook from Amazon. We could also think about the Amazon Kindle ebook, which is continuously connected to the internet and allows us as consumers to download books and pay for them using Amazon's one-click purchase method. As we move to different systems for different management groups, in this slide we'll focus on a TPS, or transaction processing system. And the purpose of these systems is to answer routine questions about the flow of transactions through the organization. These systems are a necessity for any business. In this example, a TPS for payroll processing captures that all-important employee payment transaction data. And so, for instance, information such as a time card, or which would be produced from a time card. System outputs include online and hard copy reports from management and employee paychecks. Note that the outputs of the payroll system are useful not only within the company to managers, but potentially for outside regulatory agencies and other entities which are going to rely on the accuracy of the reported data. This slide emphasizes the relationship between the class of software called business intelligence and the decision support systems, which ultimately are used by middle and senior management. And so, for instance, management information systems, decision support systems, and executive support systems. As we think about business intelligence, this is often described as a type of software used in analyzing data, looking for patterns,